Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing COREUM and Sologenic. Unlocking possibilities. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including our favorite Ripple. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of Solo and COREUM at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately, guys. So let us look into the chart of Sologenic first. So, guys, Sologenic has finally killed that zero again. It is back to 10 cents. You can see that it went to 0.098 even in the day. In the last 7 days, it is up 6.70%. It had added a zero a while back. The entire market was bloody for a while. In the last month, guys, it is on its way back to test this resistance line over here, 10, almost 10 and a half cents over here. So yeah, it added a zero, went as low as 0.08862. It has killed that zero again. In the yearly, guys, we can see that this support level was tested 0.095, 0.097. Basically, 10 cents is a crucial psychological zone. I've told you time and again, and the price has rebounded from these levels. Overall, guys, you can see that Sologenic is extremely undervalued in terms of price action and in terms of its all-time high. It is down 98.47%. If as far as COREUM is concerned, guys, if you look at the yearly, it is down 29.44%. The market cap is $35 million. So yeah, this is the all-time chart of COREUM. So yeah, it is extremely undervalued, guys. The market cap is really low, $35 million for a layer one that has huge potential. It is extremely undervalued, guys. Let me share with you what's going on with COREUM and Sologenic, what's latest. So check this out, guys. XRP plus COREUM equals bouncing into DeFi. COREUM bridge unlocks a world of possibilities for XRP. Get ready for liftoff. I'm going to be showing you a post over here which I found extremely informative. So yeah, this was it, guys. Let me bookmark this as well. It's an interesting post. So yeah, this is the video. Really good for beginners and veterans alike, the ones that are well acquainted with COREUM, as well as those that want to know about this project.
There are many different blockchain networks.
By the way, it was written that backed by Sologenic. This is why we cover Sologenic and COREUM together, guys. Both of these projects are basically linked together. They are interrelated, and they're basically going to be collaborating together in various aspects in the future as well, in my opinion. Anyways.
Each is trying to solve a specific use cases. Some lack modern consensus protocols, and some are economically non-viable for DeFi ecosystems. Bitcoin is an excellent store of value, but its transaction processing is slow. Ethereum is a great technology, but its current underlying infrastructure is not natively scalable. The high transaction fees make this technology almost unfeasible to be widely adopted by financial institutions. Some other blockchains are fast and cost-efficient, but lack modern architecture such as smart contracts. Meet COREUM. COREUM is a third-generation Layer 1 blockchain built to serve as a core infrastructure of future blockchain applications. The COREUM blockchain is simply the solution to improve all current weaknesses and provide developers with an essential infrastructure to build any decentralized app, from DeFi and metaverse to gaming, even banking and remittances in the financial industry. COREUM interoperates with existing blockchains while processing efficient, secure, fast, and sustainable transactions.
So look at these pillars, guys: DeFi, gaming, metaverse, banking, and the pillars that are basically giving its foundation. So COREUM is efficient, it is secure, fast, sustainable, everything that a blockchain should be, by the way, guys. So awesome.
Let's take a closer look at COREUM's architecture. Consensus mechanism. COREUM uses a bonded proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that allows for staking, non-custodial delegating, slashing, and governance. Speed and quorum. With a block time of 1.5 seconds, COREUM is extremely fast and can process up to 7,000 transactions per second, with a federated group consisting of 16 validators that rotate every 4 hours. Core token. The core token is the native token of the COREUM blockchain, a transactional token that facilitates all operations and functionalities on the COREUM network. Smart contracts. While many blockchain networks currently use the Ethereum virtual machine, COREUM benefits from the modern Turing-complete WebAssembly engine to process smart contracts. These contract applications can be written in many languages and compiled into WASM before processing. This feature allows for extensive growth in decentralized applications within the COREUM ecosystem. Interoperability. With hundreds of blockchains currently being used, COREUM deploys a bridge functionality to interoperate with various chains through the collateralized wrapping. This allows for other cryptocurrencies to flow into COREUM's ecosystem seamlessly. Built-in modules. Along with the built-in non-custodial bridge functionality, COREUM has a built-in full-feature decentralized exchange module with synthetic order book functionality. On-chain token issuance, minting, and tokenization. With a native support for the issuance of any fungible and non-fungible assets on-chain, COREUM takes asset issuance and minting to the next level. This built-in functionality even allows issuers to customize their tokenized assets with optional features such as wallet whitelisting, burning, and freezing for when it comes to the heavily regulated financial markets like stock and ETFs. Use cases. COREUM provides developers and financial institutions with a complete essential infrastructure to build any DeFi applications. COREUM even incentivizes and provides grants to qualified developers to build intuitive dApps on the COREUM blockchain. Some of the proposed use cases of the COREUM blockchain are tokenized securities, liquidity providers and market makers, cross-border payments, banking and remittance, stablecoin ecosystems, lending platforms, wrapped cryptocurrencies, decentralized exchanges, metaverse applications, NFT marketplaces, gaming and play-to-earn apps. Now, let's compare COREUM with the existing popular blockchains. Blockchain generation, interoperability, on-chain governance.
Yeah, basically, COREUM has it all: third generation, interoperable, on-chain governance.
Transactions per second, transaction fee, block time, energy consumption.
This one is great, guys. Transactions per second, 7,000. Transaction fee, extremely low. Block time, 1.5 second. Energy consumption, extremely low. Really great for the environmental groups, guys. They are basically pressuring in terms of global warming and the climate change that is happening. So we would want a project that is eco-friendly.
consumption, consensus mechanism, smart contract and DeFi, native DEX, distributed cloud computing.
By the way, guys, the decentralized architecture of COREUM will grow as well in the future. The Pulsara DEX, it is their native DEX, which I am aware of. I think that it is going to be really great in the future as well. Any good layer one will have will definitely have a really good DeFi. Not entirely true, because we've seen Casper Labs, which we are bullish on. At the moment, it doesn't have that DeFi architecture intact. But in my opinion, that yeah, it is DeFi is also an important aspect of a layer one. So yeah.
And storage. COREUM, built by the community for the community. A project backed by the Sologenic Development Foundation.
Backed by Sologenic Development Foundation. This is awesome, guys. In my opinion, a really great video. I really liked it. What do you guys think about Sologenic and COREUM? Do you think that they are indeed unlocking possibilities? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know, guys. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.